Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to lose 30 pounds while just sitting in your Honda Civic Type R. Now there's probably a lot of ways you can lose weight on the Honda Civic Type R, which is probably buying carbon bits and pieces, as you guys can see, but a carbon hood weighs just about the same as the aluminum stock Type R hood, so I don't know if that's probably weight saving, but it does have better heat extraction on the carbon hood. Anyways, other than, working out and trying to lose pounds, I'm gonna show you guys a way easier way to lose 30 pounds. So after opening the box, it's pretty cool that you could register for warranty and scan for the user's manual. So that's always a plus, just in case you don't know what you're doing or you need a little bit more help than usual on what to do with installing your batteries. All right, let's take this bad boy out. Wow, bro, this thing is super light, one hand with ease. So now that we unboxed the battery, let's get to opening the hood and taking out the OEM battery. For this install, you're gonna need a 10mm socket, a short one, and just a 3/8 ratchet. You are also going to need a longer 10mm socket, so that way you can fit this socket down into that bolt right there. As you guys can see, that nut, it's kind of long, but I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So just with any car, you always want to remove the negative terminal battery, which is usually going to be the black. Here, this is the positive, it's red. So I'm gonna be removing this 10mm nut right here. Not this one that's connected with this thicker wire, but the one by itself.
The one that's on the battery terminal.
Yeah.
Come on.
And just like that. Now you don't want to put this on anything, so that way sparks don't come up, so you could just kind of place it up here. All right, so next is the positive. Let's pop this open. This one's gonna be a weird, tricky one. Should be able to just pop it right out, just like that. Same thing, put this one somewhere so it doesn't touch anything. So now we're gonna remove this. This one you just pretty much pull up and out. And then you're gonna grab your longer open end socket to get these two 10mm bolts out. So after you got these two loose, you can just take out this battery holder. All right, so you also want to remove this too, so that way you have more space for the positive terminal to move around. It's just a pinch tab, so you go under with 2 fingers, pinch both sides, and then push out, and it should just come right out like that. And if you want a closer look, this is what I'm talking about when I say pinch both sides, and then just push out. And now you have more wiggle room to move this. And now your battery can actually come out. Oh, this heavy. As you guys can see, size-wise, they look pretty similar, but weight-size is a whole different story. So we actually got a scale right over here, and we're gonna weigh these bad boys. All right, so here's the weight with the OEM battery.
This is pretty chunky, guys.
33.2 pounds. So here's the anti-gravity battery.
Damn. Wow, 20 pounds lighter.
13.8 pounds.
I'll be damned.
Woo! This thing is super light.
It is. And this one, yeah, damn. You can't even tell in the video, but
Gains. So when you also open the battery, it will come with 2 battery key fobs and 2 bolts and washers, or a couple bolts and washers. So just be mindful of that and make sure you have these so you don't lose it. All right, let's put this battery in. Again, red, positive, blue, in this case, negative. Just orient it like this. So we're gonna connect the positive and then the negative. Take the cap off, put the positive in, and just tighten down. After you got the positive and negative tightened down, here's the tab. Just push it in right here. And then now I'm gonna grab that battery tray holder. All right, that is it for the install. How to shave 20 to 30 pounds on your Type R. That simple. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. It's a pretty quick install. It should take you about 5 to 10 minutes. Nothing crazy. 5 to 10 minutes to shed 20 to 30 pounds for under $1,000. Crazy to me. So the reason why I bought this battery, if the voltage gets really low, it comes with 2 key fobs. So those 2 key fobs will actually help you jumpstart the car. It'll save just enough juice for you to jumpstart the car. So that's always a plus if you don't have anybody to help you jumpstart, or you don't have like a jumpstarter kit. If you guys are ever curious on why I buy these things for my Type R, usually I like to buy things where it kills 2 birds with 1 stone. So with the battery, it's obviously you need a battery to start your car and play music and everything like that, but also it's lightweight. So everything that I buy, like the carbon hood, I want to say it's like really lightweight, but it sheds heat and extracts heat a lot from the engine bay. The Ferris front bumper also plays a crucial role too, with a lot of airflow going into the engine bay, and then the hood helps extract the heat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, comment any questions you guys got, and don't forget to sub to your boy to not miss out on any more future content from me. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. All right, let's actually see if the car will start. Wow, that startup was quick. So there is lights like drive carefully system initializing, and all the lights will come on, but that's because anytime you disconnect the battery, the lights will always come on, and you just have to drive it for a few minutes or a couple cycles and all the lights should go away. All right, all in all, video was a success. Now time to wash this car. All in all, if you're looking for a battery that will last you probably 7 to 9 years, and you want to lose a ton of weight, shedding a lot of weight than the heavy OEM battery, this is the battery to go. I feel like this battery has been amazing so far. I've had it for about a week already, and every time it cranks up, it's 1 to 2 ticks before the car just starts right up, and honestly it catches me off guard when it does. If any of you are curious on how the battery works, what's the functions, what's the features, you can always comment down below and I'll answer any questions you guys got. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.